What's up guys, in this video I will show you another play to earn project that could earn you extra income. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of AI Game to Earn. A link to this will be in the description of the video, and as you can see here, it says that if you're looking for a way to earn extra income, consider playing free-to-play games that offer rewards in return for your time and effort. So this is something that you could explore, especially for those of you that already know that you can earn extra income in the play to earn space, especially for crypto. So they currently have 50,000 plus in their community for Twitter and Discord combined, and they are quickly becoming one of the best choice for gamers and investors alike. They are currently offering $100,000 guaranteed prize pool in their leaderboard, or the possibility of earning $1,000 US just by staking. So you can actually secure a whitelist spot for a small price of $188.88. Now, if you feel that this project is good for you to invest in, of course, I would strongly suggest that you do your own research. And if you feel that this project is something that's good to invest in, make sure to act fast, because there are only 2,000 whitelist spots available, and there are more than 4,000, actually 4,300 people competing for that spot. So I would strongly suggest that you do your own research, do it fast. If you feel that this is something for you, act fast. All right, so as you can see here, whitelist application is ending soon. Participate while you can. So whitelist application period ends in 2 days, 4 hours, 55 minutes, and 10 seconds as of the recording of this video. All right, so scrolling down, complete the whitelist application for a chance to mint AI avatar NFT and take part of the $100,000 leaderboard. So these are the steps that you could take for you to be able to apply for that whitelist. And these are the game library that they currently have. So they have Bike Down, Space Rider, Zombie Archer, Rift Racer, Earthwine, and there are a lot more coming in very, very soon. So I would strongly suggest also that you follow their social media platforms. They have their Twitter, they have their Discord, they have their Telegram, YouTube. Let me go ahead and show you their Twitter platform. As you can see, guys, this Twitter account alone that they have is 72,300 followers already. So it's still continuing to grow. This is the leaderboard that they're talking about as well. So you can go ahead and check this one out. And of course, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe, click that bell. That way when we upload new videos, you will definitely be notified. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.